Welcome back, parents and learners, to the Astronomical Learners YouTube channel. So today I wanted to talk a little bit more about vowels and certain letters that we need to learn. So if you're ready to get started, let's go ahead. So first off, I want to show you the long A. So this is long A. So an easier example would be like in the word ape, and I'll show you that here. We have A-P-E, which is ape. A little bit harder word, which has a blend, is sk, ape. So that A is saying its letter name. So other word examples would be like able, acorn, angel, apron, or eight. Next, we have the long E sound. Long E. So it's saying its letter name, just like with the vowel combination in leaf or in the beginning of the word eagle. Eagle. So other word examples would be like each, ear, earring, easy, eat. Next we have the long I sound. I. So just like in the beginning of ice, and remember this is a soft C. But we have ice cubes, and just like, let's say, iron, iron. So other examples would be icicle, idea, item, or ivy. Next we have the long O. Long O. So this is also going to say its name, just like in the middle of the word bone, O, or like in ocean, O. Other examples are like oak, oatmeal, old, open, oval. So those are some basic long vowels. And here is another one. We have long U, long U. So just like in the middle of the word glue, but also like in the beginning of unicorn, U, it says its name. Other examples are unicycle, uniform, unit, universe, or use. And now I want to show you some different combinations here that we need to learn. So we're going to have a short O sound and a long O sound, double O sound. So the short O we have here, just like in the example of book, so it's making that sound, but then we have moon, it's making that oo sound. So what are some other examples of this short O? We have look, cook, took, hook. Some examples of this long double O sound: balloon, boot, food, noon. And then I want to address the soft C and the soft G sounds. So when we talk about soft C, you want to understand some examples are like city. So it's making that S sound. And then with soft G, it's making that J sound, just like in gem. So hard C is K, soft C is S, hard G is G, soft C is J. So make sure to pause this video and go back at any time to review. But I want you to know that after you learn the basic phonemes in the alphabet, that this is our next step.